dámánig se. Bhí sé deanú se seart cúglianna sé blianana gís. Te gúnaí gur a síime nála. A bhí crímór a gúnaí ag freisin. Ru bhí fíorthácht amach mar bu sin náid ní bhean íon tú go léanaid. Tá bhí tam go lábreaking go dúra se leis a chríomh.
You know, feel happy with the performance, and when you know there's more in the bag, it's a good confidence boost as well for the next round. We trust each other all the time. If he thinks something's not correct, he'll say, oh, I'm not happy with this. And the same with me. If I see something that's not correct to him, he'll take it on the chin and, you know, we'll work on improving it.
Talán ag tá sé an láidir, tá sé cliste, tá sé compórdaach na tá sé iste ann. Agus tá tú géirí sin, tá tú géirí bí relax na tá tú trid.
Bhí sé go báúir a rí sin deach agus tá sé níos. Mar bhí sé bóla leis bhí gáblion sin bhí sin na gasró agus tá sé go dhéanana is ríist.
Kieran Molloy,
Crowned Senior National Champion of Ireland, Elite Champion, was a real special moment for me. Since I was tiny, 5 years old, I've been training for that moment, so it was just great to finally get it. I suppose, it's only my first year at it, but it felt like I've been waiting for it forever,
We had the potential to go a long, long way, and it was just fantastic when he did achieve his dream of winning the Senior Elite title in his first year as an elite boxer. He just turned 19. It was fantastic.
At the end of the day, it's always the Olympic Games. That's every boxer's dream, And after Olympics and professional boxing, it's a real special feeling about the Olympic Games.